Welcome to Credit Gyan series. Today we are going to talk on 4 ways to improve credit score. Let's see some ways that will help you to improve your credit score. Avoid multiple credits. Do not have lots of debt which you cannot handle. Before having any new loan or credit card, check your debt to income ratio to know whether you are able to handle repayment or not. Do you have sufficient funds or net income to repay? It is obvious that before proceeding further, your lender may have close eye on that, but it will be considered as a hard inquiry, which shall lead to a drop in your credit score. If you cannot manage your current debt, then do not go for a new one. Just maintain a healthy credit mix on your report. Avoid bankruptcy. Bankruptcy itself has its own pros and cons, but if you want to go for bankruptcy, think twice before you really move ahead. In terms of credit report and credit score, filing for bankruptcy is one of the worst things you can do. If your credit score has not already been affected by late payment, missed payment and default, then you will notice a huge fall in your credit score when you opt for bankruptcy decision. Furthermore, this decision will affect a longer period of time in terms of your credit worthiness, and rebuilding takes longer time than usual. It is not a choice or not a way out to fix your financial responsibilities. Instead, you are setting yourself up for long-term financial difficulties because obtaining any type of credit or loans in the future will be more difficult. Many creditors and car loan financiers will automatically reject applications with bankruptcies listed on their credit report. But due to unavoidable situations, if you have to file bankruptcy, the best thing you can do is slowly rebuild your credit by paying all of your bills on time from that point onwards, with no excuses or exceptions. Keep it in mind that rebuilding your credit in this case will take longer time without any alternative or quick fix. Negotiate with your creditors. Your creditors are helpful in nature if you can show good faith. Due to financial crunches, if you think of skipping one or two payments or defaulting on a loan, it will be fun in the beginning but shall affect your credit score later. The best way to deal with your financial issues is to contact your creditors as soon as a problem arises and negotiate some form of resolution that is mutually acceptable and within your financial means. Forcing your creditors to hand over your account to collection agencies will simply create more trouble for you, as you know how relentless it is when it comes to recovering money. Furthermore, the negative information that is placed in your credit report will have a longer impact on your credit score, thus resulting in no credit for you in future. So it is advisable to be in contact with your creditors and ask for a solution. Depending on your financial difficulties, your creditors will agree to help you with one or more of the following things: reducing your interest rate, reducing your monthly minimum payment, waive extra charges and late fees, hopefully allow you to skip one or more monthly payments by extending the length of the loan. For example, recently many have this facility called as a moratorium period due to COVID-19 pandemic 2020 in India. Close the account and allow you to make affordable payments slowly to reduce the outstanding balance over time. Close the account and accept a settlement for less than the amount you actually owe. Allow you to refinance the loan at a lower interest rate. Allow you to restructure tenure for a longer term to reduce your monthly payments. Get a copy of your credit report and review it periodically. It is always on the safe side that you have a copy of your credit report and you review it periodically. Getting a copy of a credit report before you think to improve credit score is essential because your credit score is based on the information which is listed on your credit report. So, we can say that this is the first step you can take to boost your credit score. Ideally, you should check your credit report every 3 to 6 months because your information of repayment is updated frequently. So if you want to be updated with new details, then you have to check it on a regular interval. This is true for all reports of 4 credit bureaus. You should know that all the details in all 4 credit bureau reports are accurate and up to date. Updated credit report will be handy in case you are looking for a big credit in the future. Keep in mind that rebuilding credit and boosting your credit score will be a time-consuming process. So have a patience. For the desired result for your credit score, you should follow all the ways rather than following one or two. For more details, any suggestions, advice, call or miss call on the number given in description box. Thank you.